Welcome to Ask and Learn.
This is the answer to Chapter 20, problem number 51 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem asks us to explain why metal hydride reduction gives an endo alcohol as the major product in one reaction and an exo alcohol as the major product in the other reaction. And so basically, the answer here is sterics. So in the reaction on the left, we have the hydride being delivered from above the ring. And this is really due to two things. So we have sort of the concave shape of the ring here. So we'll just say concave. And so that's going to really sterically hinder approach from the bottom. And then the other thing is that up here, we really just have these two hydrogens. And so approach from the top is much less hindered. And so that's how we get the endo product here for the first one. When we look at the second ring, or the second reaction rather, what we see is that we have two methyl groups at the top here. And so we have these two methyl groups. And so they're pretty sterically hindering. And so we still have the concavity of the ring, but it turns out that the sterics from the concave shape of the ring actually end up being less than the sterics from the presence of those two methyl groups above the ring. And so in this second case, it's easier for the hydride to approach from the bottom of the ring. And that approach from the bottom is what ends up giving us the exo positioning of the alcohol in the second reaction here. And so that's it. That's the whole answer, sterics. And basically, it's just that that in the first reaction, the concavity of the ring really sterically prevents approach from the bottom. It makes approach from above the ring much more favorable. And then in the second reaction, we have those two methyl groups above the ring, and they are hindering enough that it makes approach from the bottom more favorable. And that's the answer to Chapter 20, problem number 51.